Ugo. Kasi natin. Hello YouTube, this is my first ever YouTube tutorial and I'm gonna tackle about how to add more views, di ba? Siyempre, for some, hirap talagang makapag-monetize. Yung 4,000 watch hours, sobrang hirap. And for today, dahil nanonood kayo sa channel namin, so I'll teach you or I'll give you this best lesson or hack na natutunan ko lately. Sana natutunan ko na to before, pero swerte kayo dahil nanonood kayo ngayon sa channel namin, okay? Itong app na to, by the way, is only for non-monetized channels. But if you are monetized and gusto mong ma-promote yung videos mo para mas lalong dumami yung views and mas maging malakas yung sa algorithm ni YouTube, diba? So you can use this. All we need to do now is to go to Google Play Store and click and type Clip Clap, okay? Clip Clap. Yan. So pag install nyo ng Clip Clap, so sa inyo magiging install yan, pero sa akin open since meron na talaga akong account. Yan. Okay? So now, ito na yung interface niya or ito na yung mismong application. So kailangan nyo lang mag-register. So hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kung paano mag-register and all ha. And also, si ClipClap kasi merong other means of monetization. Pwede ka rin kumita ng pera dito. Pero sa video na to, hindi ko syempre ipapakita or hindi ko ituturo. Kasi our target is to have your channel to get views. Okay? After nyo mag-register, so kailangan nyo lang mag-upload ng videos. Kailangan nyo kumuha ng video sa YouTube. Kung gusto mo YouTube channel mo, so go to YouTube. Alright? And then, lagay nyo yung channel na gusto mong i-promote. Get the link by clicking share. And then, copy link. After pressing copy link, i-upload natin. Okay? Automatic na yan sa upload. So, now, maglalagay lang tayo ng description. Tapos, category. Well, category first pala. Category, and then, description, and then, ayan, tags. Okay? And then, upload nyo na. So, makikita nyo agad na pwede mo na siyang agad ma-view. So, i-click nyo lang to at ma-review nyo na yung video. Okay? So, malaki kasi ang community ng ClipClap. Okay? So, syempre, lahat ng tao sa ClipClap naman is gusto nilang kumita ng pera. So, manonood talaga sila ng mga videos na naka-upload dyan for them to get their points or their coins. Okay? At the same time, habang ikay nag-upload ng video dyan sa ClipClap, diba? Na-review siya ng mga ibang tao and na-promote siya in some way. And that adds to your viewing hours. Okay? So question, pwede bang mag-re-upload na mag-re-upload? Yes, you can re-upload your videos hanggang sa magsawa ka, hanggang sa makakuha ka ng mas maraming views. Diba? Ayun guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any question or anything that you want to clarify, put it in the comment section and we'll try our best to answer your inquiry. So, ayun lang. So, thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we'll be posting some more YouTube tutorials para at least matulungan namin kayo ma-monetize yung channel nyo and lumago. So, thank you so much again. So, sa susunod ulit. Bye-bye!